Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss how we can schedule our how to prepare for AWS Cloud Certification exam. So I'm going to walk you all the aspects of Cloud Certification Cloud Practitioner exam. So it will be very important session. So this is in regards to with Sanskriti question where she asked like she is currently preparing for the cloud practitioner certification, and she already completed the Udemy course of Stephen Marik. So I will tell you like how is this course and should you go for this or not. And she wants any additional resources or strategies that I should recommend to her. Maybe like an preferred test series. So this is more she wants like some resources, some strategies, or maybe some test series. So we are going to discuss all through from it. So let's just give a minute to understand what is this exam all about and how we can better prepare if we are preparing from starting, or if we are few days are remaining, then what is strategies we should acquire. Okay. So, like first question which may ask come to your mind, or some people ask me like, did you any require any prior information, or there is any prerequisite for this certification exam? So absolutely no prerequisite is there, and you can give this exam even in your like school timing as well. Even if you are 15 years or 12 years, you can directly give this exam. And I should like I recommend to everyone who's ever watching this video that you give this exam. Even if you are in the school, in college, first year, second year, does not matter at all. Or whatever degree you are achieving, even if you are not an engineer, you can go for this exam, and this will help you to boost your cloud career. And so like how it is going to help your in career. So basically it serves as an entry point. As I say, this is the very basic level exam. This is the starting and the simplest exam offered by AWS is basically a cloud platform from Amazon itself. So even if you are from a non-IT background, especially I recommend from the non-IT background, you go for this certification. And the benefit which you get is that according to the latest study occurred in the October 2022, that job listing has increased by 84%. So that's how this certification become more and more important as the day is passing. Also, once you earn this certification, you will get 50% discount on other certification as well. So this is going to, even if you are looking forward to other higher level of AWS certification, then this will offer give you they will provide you 50% discount voucher for it. So if you are looking for that as well, then you can go for this. Also, let me give you a small brief about the exam. The duration will be 90 minutes and 65 question will be there, out of which it then can be multiple choice and multiple response. So multiple choice, we already know MCQ, like there will be 4 or 5 option and one will be correct. But in multiple response, out of many options, only maybe like two can be correct, maybe four can be correct, and all options can be correct. So this and they don't tell you that this is a multiple choice question or this is a multiple response question. So better like to be prepared accordingly. And so, like multiple response, sometime they might tell you, but I have heard from others. I haven't not seen in my personal when I give the certification, but I have seen, I heard from others that sometimes they don't even bother to tell you in the question. But generally, there will be a, like multiple checkbox you seen, so you can see there will be multiple response question, and this is a multiple choice question, which I have seen personally. So there will be 65 question, and the cost of this exam is 100 US dollars. So if you are looking for vouchers, I already made a video for that, so you can go and watch that. So it can be reduced to 50%, and accordingly, whatever the criteria you fulfill, the AWS Educate video if you are looking for, or just simple voucher video. I have plenty of voucher video on my channel, so accordingly you will get that. And one new thing which I can tell you, like after 1st April of 2024, these exam is going to be like exam cost will going to be increased. So better to give it before 1st of April 2024. And this test you can give from home, your home as well. It will be proctored by your camera and your microphone. A laptop will be a must for giving this exam, or you can go to your test center, select that test center, and give accordingly. And these are the languages in which this exam is offered. And this one thing which I noticed, that people think it is for forever, this certification, because this has value, so that's why. And it is for 3 years only. And I have seen people who think like this is why this is not forever. I can tell you a reason about that, because AWS is keep changing its services, cloud is ever evolving, is it's still growing. So that's why they bring up new services, new technology, so you have to update yourself. And I will also tell you how you can update it, like without giving the exam, or even if you after 3 years you can give the exam, and what is the way that you can keep expanding even after the 3 years. So now come to the Sanskriti question, like what should like she do additional resources, should refer, what strategy should she prefer, and test series she's asking. So first section is for the mandatory section which you should do before giving this exam. So first is this AWS white paper. So this is a like a very important document, and you can see this is document is known as overview of Amazon Web Service AWS white paper. So this is from AWS itself, and this is really gives you all brief of the all services of AWS, and whatever come is going to come in the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. I can guarantee you like 99% it will come from this document. Definitely, it has all the services, even it has extra services. So I will tell you which services you should go for in this document. You don't have to read like a whole document, although it is not a very big document. It is just a 80 to 85 page document. So I will tell you which services you have to read. So for that you have to go to downwards in my blog, and go to this Cloud Practitioner exam guide. So if you go there, just let it load. So here this exam guide is also super useful, and it gives you all like what you have to read. So here if you go to this page number like appendix A and page number 14. So this is a 22 page exam guide. So here you can see what kind of like technologies and concept that can appear on the exam. And if you are looking for the AWS services, so here is the in scope AWS services and feature. So in the analytics section, all these services can come in your exam, in the application integration. So all these services, just like here it is Amazon Athena. So you must read this service from the overview page. So if I go there and like simply search for it, Amazon Athena. So here is the in the analytics section. So just read about this. See how small this is for, and you will completely understand is Amazon Athena. One more like from personal aspect, I can tell this does not require that much extent of practical hands-on lab. So that's why it is the at the simplest level, and you can go for it, this AWS Practitioner exam. Although also I would like to tell you all the mandatory section I always keep like this. There's all resources should be free. So whatever this white paper resource I am telling, or this exam guide I'm telling, it's all free of cost, 0 rupees. You just have to go to this URL. I will provide the link into the description, then you can come to this blog and access all the resources from a single page. I hope this video is useful for you. And then you should read the AWS glossary. So what is AWS glossary? So it's like a dictionary for the AWS resources. So this is also very important. You should read uh, this glossary. So I guess it's taking some time due to loading because we are live. We are doing a live session. So even if anybody has any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will review after this all after the session is over. So you can see this is like a dictionary. So you should read if you are getting any doubt when reading that overview document, then you can refer to this and understand what is that word means and what is this services offers actually. So I also suggest you just go through it. It is also not a very big document. It is a very small document, and by this I can like guarantee you you covered all the theoretical aspect of the AWS, which is like contain most of the part of this AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. So you should definitely go for that. Third thing, you should read about the shared responsibility model because like many questions come from this particularly. Also, all the imported services like AWS, EC2, S3, IAM, VPC, you should read about it from this overview document. And as I already told you, you can check from this exam guide and check all these services which are mentioned. So you should definitely go for that. So this is the shared responsibility model page. So only this, to understand what is this, you should read this. This is a very small, like a blog from AWS. All these are official document which I am posting till now, telling you. So then you have to. There is a official cloud practitioner practice set from. This is also from AWS. So you should go for this and read this. And then there is a AWS Cloud Essential course. So you should read all these document and like everything you already covered in this AWS white paper page. And in this second in the glossary, third we have read about the shared service responsibility models, and then about the cloud practitioner official practice set we have told. So let me, it is still loading. And after that you should read about this practice question from exam topic. So this you should do like when you are at the stage of Sanskriti, like when you are about, you have already done that course, that is Stephen Marik course she has done from Udemy. I will tell you and give you a review about that course. So after that, you should do this question from exam topic. So I was at the official practice set from the AWS. So this is the Cloud Practitioner Essential course. This is free from AWS. All resources which I'm telling are officially from AWS and totally free of cost. And after that, you should do this another free official question set. So these two are offered from AWS and free of cost. And another topic which we are telling this practice question, these are not from official AWS, but I have seen like these questions are generally the similar type of question will come into your exam and maybe sometime exactly same may come. So go to this website and do all these questions. These have like hundreds of questions are there, so better to go for this. So this link is for the newer version of the exam and this is for the older version of the exam, but I suggest you still go for this. And if you do all this, I can like surely sure said that you will pass by very good flying colors and very good marks, 100%. And like now come to optional, which are maybe paid, some of these. So there is an official test available, pre-test available, which is a paid version. So that's why I did not put into the mandatory section. Also, it is not required. If you do all this, that is more than enough. I can surely short say that. And then there is a official practice test. This is also from AWS official, but however, it requires a AWS Skill Builder subscription and all this. Like all these which I tell you, this official practice set does not require any subscription, does not require any payment fee. Also this course, so you can go without with free mind and everything. You can access all these resources. And then there is a course of Stephen Marik. I recommend you, but it is a paid one. So generally, I don't recommend every like any to anyone to spend money or anything. If you follow this, this will be enough. But if you like want to, you don't have any confidence and you still want to go for it, then of course I will suggest you this course at the very beginning. If you want to spend money or you are not feeling confident at all, then you can also follow the course of Neil Davis. I have provided the link in the description. You can access both of this. Now come to the like another question, like how to validate if you like spend the 3 years, you pass the exam, you're now walking towards the expiration of your certification. So better thing is that you complete this game-based learning challenge, that is AWS Cloud Quest. Also, I have provided a link here, and this is free till May 31st. So you should definitely go for this before May. Even if you pass it right now, this cloud practitioner exam, you again go it on in the May month. So it will be like again extended like for till some months, also for 3 years. So that's why it is very important to go for that. Or you will get as I already told you, after passing the exam you will get a 50% discount voucher, so you can use that to schedule at that point of time to give this AWS certified cloud practitioner exam. Also, if you pass any AWS higher level, associate level examination or professional level examination, then you can go for it. I have already if you want to know about me, like I already passed the specialty level, which is the highest level of AWS certification. So you can go for that. And so what you should do after this examination? So if you want to become a solution architect, basically solution architect is one who design these solutions for different application according to application and minimize the cost by designing the solutions, and how to implement the service, how to like it basically plan all this infrastructure, how you have to use your infrastructure according to optimize for your application. Then if you want to become a developer or you want to become a cloud engineer, then you go for this developer associate. And if you want to become a system administrator who just want to do some admin work, then you go for this sysops administrator. But I generally suggest everyone to go for this solution architect associate only. This has a real world value for this examination. And if you're talking about my personal experience, I already express in my blog that this certification, generally from my point of view, I don't feel this is a ideal for technical people, because this only contains the theoretical concept, and this also has not that much of a real world value in compared to other certification from AWS, because this is a very basic, anyone can pass this. So this is generally recommended for the sales guy or the product management or like project management guys. Like if you are a manager or something, then you should recommend like you can go for this certification. But for technical people, I generally suggest you directly go with this solution architect associate exam. So that's why I generally don't recommend this exam, because the thing is it does not add value into your resume, or it does not give you that much of hands-on experience which is required to become a cloud engineer. That's why I I generally recommend people to directly go with the solution architect associate exam. Also, there is no prerequisite for this exam as well. Like you don't require to do cloud practitioner first, then you have to come to associate level. You can directly give this solution architect associate exam. But if you are giving like you already scheduled it, or you are not confident, because this is not a like a very simple exam. This is like a middle level of exam, associate level. So AWS has multiple level. First is the foundational level, which is this AWS Cloud Practitioner. Again, above it is associate level. So with each level, the difficulty rises from certification to certification. Then there is a professional certification, which are more difficult compared to associate exam, and then there are highest level of difficulty level at the specialty level. So then you can go for this. I hope this answers your question, Sanskriti, and see you guys any in the next video. If you have any other doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And I hope this will be useful for you, and see you guys in the video. And if you are looking, if you want me to like, currently also an AI course is going on my channel, so you can join that as well. Today like I am also building a AI project where I will be train the model. I will fetch the I already put the video for fetching the database. So this all things you can do, and model training, model deployment, model evaluation, everything we are going to do. So you can start with that, because AI also going to 2024, I think it is going to be year of AI. Everywhere you will see this AI. Even the projects, I already started working on AI projects in MNC, so their AI is slowly coming. So just like many people lose the bus when the cloud started, so I don't want you guys to lose the bus of AI. So I recommended you to start learning AI, even not from my channel. You want to go to some other channel, but start learning AI as soon as possible. It is really important if you start AI in 2024. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the channel. See you guys in the